Hello all. In this session, in this presentation, I'm going to explain about the concept of sustainable development. It is under fifth module and it is under green engineering. So, concept of sustainable development. Okay. So, what is a sustainable development? It is sustainable urban development. Like in the future, like our planet should be, it is a important matter for all of us for a great concern, and also it has been our aim to improve the quality of light in our cities, including ecology, cultural, political, institutional, and economic components without leaving a burden on our future generations. So that is a main concern of sustainable development, that too especially on a urban development. And the focus in this is on the presentation is more on sensitizing the issue on sustainability, considering the problems of the urban poor than on a capacity building. So how man or a human like communities are affected by the ecosystem concerns have been part of human society and also from the beginning. Like sustainable development has become recognized goal for human society. So since the deterioration of environmental conditions in many parts of the world occurs, and also therefore humanity is forced to pay more attention on the environment especially. And also there is becoming more and more important for modern industry society requires, definitely it is more burden on the nature. So that's why thus it is we found that that concept of urban development will play important role. Concept urban development will be playing important role in the the resources which we need to preserve regarding to the nature. Concept of sustainable development, like what are the main concept of our sustainable development. Like a sustainable city is one that it is able to provide the basic needs for the population, which with the necessary infrastructure like civic amenities, health and medicare, many civil infrastructures with good facilities, education, transportation, good schooling, good hospitals, and also like it contains many sustainable development, like improving the cities, urban areas, etc. Next, what is a need for other sustainable development? Like there are several challenges across us that need attention of economic development, and also particularly present situation. Like definitely we need to take care of our environment, surrounding environment, to take care of self and also for the future generation, and integration of that environment on the economic decisions, or to conserve everything or to minimize the waste production from industries or in our houses in each and every place, and also to check the exploitative technology and find alternative sources, and to check more exploitation and wastage of natural resources to generate renewable energy sources. For example, we have studied many renewable energy sources like for example, we have studied in the last what is that chapters: solar energies, wind energies, tidal energies, etc. These are our natural resources. And also storing the water and usage of the water, that is also one of the major thing. We should not waste our natural resources. We need to keep it secure. Securely we need to secure for our future generation. So in that components, actually they are broadly divided into three elements, namely social, economic, and environmental. So just division, like in which basis, in which criteria we need to take care of. In the social well-being, economic quality, and also the environmental quality, all three based on different aspects. That is, social means definitely it is depending on the human. Assuming that we have identified many ecological balance and authorities everywhere to see converting the raw materials purchasing in material goods to be made in accordance with the requirements for efficiency, and also that optimacy, that quality of life and labor standards should be increased, and fulfillment and satisfaction, that also should be increased according to the wages, like what are the wages they are getting, that should be increased. So these are the many the social component, like which we need to give concentration, more concentration on these aspects. And also a promotion of education, training, and also public support for the environment, and protecting and promoting the human health, for example giving good medical facilities in the especially in the rural areas, and also control the infectious diseases, risk pollution, and also ecological risk. This providing good health facilities, medical facilities, definitely it should happen everywhere, especially in the rural areas, because definitely there is a lack of transportation, and one more constant is lack of transportation facilities, so that should be increased. And also promoting education, like each and there should be child labor should we need to we need to close the chapter, like we need to end that moment, like labor, child labor. We need to promote the education for them, training, and public support for the environment, and focusing on population growth, especially in the developing countries. It is demographic threatening sustainable development, because population is more compared to other countries, like other developed countries. And also we need to fight against the poverty. That is a one more major issue in the social well-being, that is a component of social well-being. And economic component, economic component means it is desired to produce a maximum flow of income in the terms of rational use. And also this is, as the manifestation of macroeconomic dynamics. Economic development requires a set of quantitative transforms and also structure and quality, both in economic and in scientific research, and also in organizational structure and mechanisms of economic functioning in thinking the people behavior. It's definitely like environmental development, it can be ability to hold the very three basics, like the power functions of resources, waste respector receptor function, and direct utility. And also here, like the economic component, it is very much important to take care of in the income, the flow of income which is giving for a laborers, that means in a daily wages, or in the government sectors. So that mechanism, that mechanism of economic functioning in thinking and people's behavior, that is important. And in this approach, like many like developed countries developing their economies, it shows that rapid growth with their maximum benefits, especially for developing countries, creates a heavy burden on the ability of the planet to support. So therefore, like development must be convinced as a called a process of multi-dimensional and involving major changes in the what to say that nature. We can see the major changes in nature, and also major changes in the social structures, attitudes, popular and national institutes, which is mainly aiming on the economic growth. So these issues need to be resolved in a manner that inspires. Even a problem if difficult, however, have to be fulfill the solutions. immediately. So immediately we have to take the actions. Instrument that lead for the economic purpose is to achieve the education system should be improved, and also the education, scientific and intellectual potential, everything should be improved. The economic activity, that ultimate goal which turn helps in achieving the ultimate goal, that economic activity should be improved. Next, ecological component. Ecological development can be defined as ability to hold the three things like the power function, receptor function, and the direct utility. Here, like the ecological component means it's totally on the environment. Definitely, the environment, everything we need to, everything is depend on the environment, because health. If the health is good, if our medical facilities are good, definitely we can go through and we can maintain our good health. So environment is a one of the major thing behind our health. And also in a complex problems like the assuming that complex structure or diversity term, that eco development is characterized by greater capacity according to the requirements of some stages and some major goals. And also it requires caution in ecologically and stimulates the development of knowledge based on consumption, and also the opportunities that we are getting to control that environmental pollution which is happening around. And that growth, economic growth should be affect that the environment in order to talk about the sustainable development. Definitely, if the taking care of environmental is directly connected to the that ecological balance will be there. So next is social well-being. Social well-being also it is concerned for a human component itself, because it is realizing the need for further social development, like without harming the environment, and is to protect and improve the state of environment, which represent only the possibility to create and maintain the welfare of both present generation and also in the upcoming future generation. So this will balance the factor that we can should ensure in the development of the company. The whole, we are considering the environment or a world as a whole. Thank you.